In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Google Slides and start your new project. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, let's get into it. So to get started with Google Slides, it's quite simple. Just go ahead and type in or search Google Slides like this, and this will take you to this Google Workspace. So if you click on this, you can just go ahead and sign in with your Google account. So if I click on sign in, it will take me automatically to Google Slides here where I can begin a new project. Alternatively, you can also do the same. If you are using a Chrome browser, then it is pretty simple. Just head over to these dots under Google Apps, and then under this, look for Google Slides. And you can see Slides is here. So if you click on it, now this will take you to a new project or to a new page. Now, if you don't have an email, you need to go ahead and sign in using your Gmail account. For my case, I already have here a Gmail account, and therefore I'm automatically signed into Google Slides. So basically what you need to set with Google Slides is to have a Gmail address. Then from here, you can just start with a blank presentation, or you can use some of these pre-made templates. If you want to create your presentation from scratch, go ahead and click on blank presentation, and this will give you a blank page that you can start working on. From here, go ahead and give it a name. Maybe this is a business presentation. Just give it a name like that. However, you can also go ahead and start with this pre-made presentation. For instance, you can choose this, your big idea. This is a pre-made presentation that you can begin your project with. From here, you can just go ahead and edit these slides to make your project or your presentation with a lot of ease. From here, you can now go ahead and enter in your heading and subheadings, just like that, and it will be good to go. So that's how you can get started with Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.